how many more things can they say where they were at fault with until they realize that they didn't do anything right? Everything was wrong.
Old wounds reopened today. The Illinois Auditor General releasing a scathing report on a deadly COVID outbreak at a veterans home.
36 people died. The state health department accused of dropping the ball.
Anthony Ponce live with the fallout. Anthony.
Yes, Corey and Dawn, the report says that the Illinois Department of Public Health left this facility out, hanging out to dry in several aspects when it came to controlling the outbreak that left 3 dozen of its residents dead in late 2020. But the governor says the report doesn't tell the whole story.
We saw him the day before through the window, and that was our goodbye.
Leslie Lamb's father, Richard Sieski, a Korean War veteran, was one of 36 residents of the Lasalle Veterans Home who died after COVID swept through the facility in November of 2020.
Losing my dad was devastating in itself, not to mention that the horrific way he died and the horrific way all the veterans that were with him died.
A report by the Illinois Auditor General found that the Illinois Department of Public Health did not offer advice or help to the facility in slowing the spread, did not offer to provide COVID tests, and used a testing procedure that was slower than necessary.
Frankly, it's more of the same. And it's not surprising to me. I'm frustrated that, and our families are frustrated that they are getting anything but swift justice.
But Governor Pritzker defended the IDPH, saying the outbreak came at a time before vaccines, when Republican lawmakers were downplaying the severity of the virus, and that the department followed CDC guidelines at every step.
At that time in the pandemic, IDPH was not visiting nursing homes in person, because the threat of unintentionally spreading COVID was significantly greater than the potential benefit of a visit.
And the lawyer representing the families of those who died in this outbreak calls this report just more finger pointing among local politicians. A settlement is pending for those families. We're live downtown tonight. Anthony Ponce, Fox 32, Chicago.